What is up, life agents? It's Pete Fournier coming at you for a little bit longer than a minute to talk about referrals. A lot of questions have been asked, and since I write a lot of my business, probably the majority of my business off of referrals, I wanted to give you some info about it. Now, if you're working your own lead source and you think you're killing it with your IMO or direct mail leads, or you're purchasing from somewhere else, or you're cold door knocking, or whatever the case may be, and you think you don't need referrals, you're doing yourself a disservice. Because to a life insurance agent, a referral is probably your greatest asset. They're the easiest to sit with, they're the easiest to close, and 9 times out of 10, they're the largest premium check out there of your week. Okay, so let's talk about getting them for a second. I want you to remember 3 things in terms of gaining referrals. First one, easiest one, most novice pitch out there for gaining a referral is utilizing the beneficiary. Get that primary, get that contingent, get that tertiary. Let them know you want to go there and explain to your beneficiaries a level of the program that you just delivered to them. And why don't you go ahead and call them and set that appointment right there, because I'll be out in their area next week and figured I'd drop off the info. If they got 20 or 30 minutes, love to chat with them about the program and maybe some of their financial needs. Boom, 3 appointments. That's it. Second way to get them is leveraging your personal network. This is my favorite. We all know hundreds, if not thousands of people out there. And I'm not trying to tell you to write down 500 people that you know and then try to pitch them life insurance. Not necessarily. I want you to write down 25 to 50 key people that are in your inner circle. Close friends, close family, mentors, influencers, people's at your day job if you got one, whatever the case may be. Write them down, leverage them, and leverage their network. Okay? You should be getting 2 referrals from each one of those people. Okay? That's another 100 people if you're writing down 50 that you should know. Okay? Keep expanding that out. I've written people that are 9, 10, 11 referrals deep from the initial referral source. It's possible. Make it happen. And it's a free source of leads for you. Don't be scared about it. And the third way to get referrals is to constantly talk about what you do for a living. This is my favorite type of referral. It's the random guy at the bar. It's the lady next to me sitting on a plane ride. It's the family in the corner at the restaurant. It's the people in the bowling alley next to me. Bring it up in conversation. Just practice. It's a game. It's fun. Treat it as such. If you do those 3 things and you leverage at least 5 to 10 referral appointments throughout the month, you will drastically see an increase in your premium. I promise you that. Let me know your results. If you have any questions, comment below or send me a personal message. Look forward to talking to you soon. That's the Daily Tip. I'm Pete Fournier. I'll see you next time.